But the truth is out, it's tearing me apart. Not listening to my heart. I really had to go, and now I'm gonna stop it. Even though we changed, you can find me in the space between. But to what's come to me, I'll never be out of reach. 'Cause you're a part of me, so you can find me in the space between. You'll never be alone, no matter where you go. We can meet in the space between. Nothing can stay the same. It's growing pain.
Be proud of all your scars. We make you who you are. I know you have to stay,
But I will never leave you,
but it has to
even
change.
though